Hey guys, what's up? We are back again with another problem. Today's problem is a really basic one because it's maybe the first problem of this March challenge. That's why it's so basic. So, new month, new challenge, new problem. What we have here is we have a girl called Alice who has n candies, and all the candies and some of the candies are of different types. So, what she did is she ate too many of these candies, and her doctor advised that she shouldn't do that, otherwise, she'll gain weight, and she should only eat n by 2 candies. But she's a foodie, and what she wants to do is she wants to maximize the number of different types of candies that she could eat. So, she came to us because she didn't have time. So, we'll have to tell her that what's the maximum different types of candies that she could eat. So I coded it just to make sure that my logic wasn't incorrect. I always code my answers before making this video. So what we have to do here is it's simple. Whenever my one and only advice if you are using Java is whenever you see the word unique, your mind should always go to this data structure that is called a hash set. I'll name it unique because it is that it is, and type. Unique type equals to new hash set there. Now what I'll do is for my each candy type typ in this candy type array, what I'll do is I'll add that to my unique types. So what this will do is after this for loop I'll have a hash set which will only contain unique types of candies. So I'll have exactly the number of types that she has. I'll have the number of types, different types that she has. Then what I want is I'll create two variables, although these are not important, but I'll do it. I'll name one types. So this is the unique types of candy that she has right now, and these type of candies are stored in the hash set. So this would be its size. Done. Then I'll create another variable. I'll name it eatable, and she can only eat, if you remember, the half of the total n. So the n is equal to candy type dot size dot length. She could eat half of it. So this is n by 2. She could only eat n by 2. Now what we will return is we'll check for one condition: if number of types are greater than or equals to eatable. If this is true, then what we'll do is we'll simply return eatable, because there are, let's say, n plus 1 different types of candy, but she is only allowed to eat n by 2. There are like n by 2 plus 1 different kinds of candy, but she is allowed to only eat n by 2 number of candies. So she can't eat that one unique kind of candy, right? I'll show you with an example there. And if the type is less than eatable, so she has to repeat one of the candies, and she'll has to do that. Let's come back to the example. Here there are 3 different types of candies, and the total eatable number of candies is also 3, so she can eat all. There are 3 different types of eatable candies, but since she can eat only 2, that is the total size divided by 2, that is 2. So she'll have to skip 1. Either she could eat 1 2 or 2 3 or 1 3. She can't eat all 3 of different types of candies. So the maximum number of candies, different types of candies that she can eat is 2. Again, there's a array with only one type of candy, so she has like say 5 same kind of candies, and so she can only eat 4 by 2, that is again 2 candies, but the number of different types of candies that she can eat is still 1. And this was it for this video, guys. That's the really oh, oopsie. I forgot to add a semicolon there. That's why we should always run our code before submitting it, so we could figure out if there are any errors or not. And we should also run our code on multiple test cases, and if there is any corner case, we should first think of it and then we should run our code on it. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.